welcome to my channel. So it is your girl Keymee K. Make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get into this review. So this hair review is going to be sponsored by UNice Hair. I do want to say thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So I am going to be doing a hair tutorial today on this unit that they did go ahead and send me. As you did see, you are going to get a lot of goodies in this box, so make sure to check them out. So this unit is going to be a 99J straight wig. It is a 13x4 lace wig, so there's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps, and this is in their Bet You series. So with this unit, the lace is a medium brown lace and it fits my skin to the T. Like, I don't have to do anything to this lace whatsoever, and then it does come with baby hairs. With this being a colored unit, I'm not going to utilize baby hairs because I like not to use baby hairs on colored units. So right now I'm just going to be going ahead and applying some glue. I am going to be using 2 layers of glue, and then I did already do the ball cap method, and I applied some foundation on top. I did use my CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation, and then the color is 765 Tawny. And I'm going to apply 2 layers of glue, and then I do it on both sides. So I did start in the front and apply 2 layers, and then I go to each side, and then I laid the wig down. I didn't like that with this unit because I did have to pull the sides a little bit forward so that I can get it to lay over my hairline. The density on this wig is going to be 150%, and I don't remember the link on this unit, but I will be sure to leave that down in the description box. So after the wig has been glued down, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that with an eyebrow razor pencil. You can get these at Walmart. They do come 2 in a pack, or you can go to the beauty supply store, and I think it's only like 1, and you pay like 99 cents for that. After that, I'm going to use the wrap that this unit did come with and tie that wig down. After that, I did use my Care wax stick just to go ahead and define the part. So I did want to go ahead and do a middle part, and as you can see, all I did so far was cut the lace off this unit, and the lace on this unit is so freaking bomb. It blends into the skin so good, especially because it's a medium brown lace at that, and it matches my skin tone to the T. So the lace does look good. With this glue, I will state in another video, the glue, it was left at the post office, so the glue kind of separated, so I did have problems with the glue, but I did go back over it with some freeze spray and some powder. So after that, I did not have any problems, but I'm only stating that because the lace does lay good. So if the lace looks a little bit bad, it's because of the glue, and I guess the product separated while I was sitting at the post office. Because I'm over here in Texas, and you know, you're supposed to store your glue in room temperature, and I guess it messed up my glue. So I did want to go ahead and state that the lace on this wig lays flat and it looks very flawless. Right now I am using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cafe, just to go ahead and put in the part space just to open it up a little bit more, and then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 362, and I am going to put that on top of that concealer just to go ahead and mattify it out. After that, I am going to apply some mousse so that I can get rid of that powdery look, and that tamed down the powder a whole lot. And then I'm just going to take my flat iron. I did get this flat iron from Ulta. You can only get it from Ulta, and I forgot the name. It is the Infinity Pro by Conair. And so I did take that and just flatten that hair out, and I just kind of ran my hands through it. And basically that is it for this unit. This hair is so freaking pretty and bouncy. I freaking love this unit. So I do want to say thank you to UNice for sending me out this unit once again. I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit. So make sure you check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.